Many people believe that Microsoft tools that begin with Power are difficult to use, like Power Query in Excel, but we'll see how easy it is to solve some common data problems using it. Let's say you have two data sets that are related and need to be analyzed as a single data set. In this case, many people would choose to use a VLOOKUP. But VLOOKUPs can be fragile as things change. Using Power Query, we can merge two datasets without any formulas at all. First, let's get both datasets using the Get and Transform tools. The first one is an Excel workbook, so we'll choose that to find the new one. We won't import it, but just make the connections here. Now we'll get the second one, which is a text file. This time we'll choose Transform. We need to identify the header row since it doesn't recognize it automatically. Now we're going to stay in Transform and choose that first data set. And then we'll choose to merge it to a new query. We'll just tell Excel to match things up by region. When you see this symbol, you just click it to expand the possible fields. Now we already have region, so we'll uncheck that. Now we'll load it into the workbook. Voila, no VLOOKUPs. Data that is organized poorly and can't be used as a list can be problematic. It doesn't always come in as we'd like it. For example, this one has records organized as multiple rows across multiple columns. We can use Transpose in Power Query to get this one in the right shape. After correcting that part of the problem, we need to create field names in the header row. It's just this easy. Now let's say you have data from similar multiple data sets that should be analyzed as a single one. For example, quarterly transaction data. You can use the Power Query append feature like this. Finally, when you have multiple data items all stuck together in one column, Power Query can separate them using the Add Column by Example feature. Just type the entry and see if Excel can pick up the pattern. If not, you might have to type the data in from one more record until it does. See? No fuss, no muss, no formulas, just Power Query.